Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download Telegram app on Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. If you want to download Telegram on your Windows PC or laptop, now to install it, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Microsoft Store, and after opening up your Microsoft Store, now in the search bar you have to search for Telegram. And after searching for Telegram, now you'll find Telegram desktop application. What you have to do is just simply tap on it and then tap on Get. And after tapping on Get, now you'll successfully install this application in your devices. Simply wait and install it. And after completing the installation process, now you can just simply go ahead and then log in to your Telegram application. So you just have to scan the QR code, and after scanning the QR code, you can easily log into your Telegram. So that's it, guys. This is how to download Telegram app on Windows PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.